This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by getting your iPhone ready. Update iOS and confirm your model supports Tap to Pay. Open Wallet, add or verify the card you want to use, and authenticate with Face ID or Touch ID. Once done, make sure NFC is enabled and the merchant's terminal indicates it accepts contactless payments. You're beginning the payment process now, so keep the phone unlocked and ready. This minimizes delays and avoids fumbling at the register. You're now at the terminal. Wake your iPhone and authenticate if prompted. Hold the top portion of the phone close to the contactless reader, about 1 to 2 inches away, and keep it steady. The phone communicates via NFC. That handshake takes less than a second. Watch for the terminal's confirmation sound or vibration and the wallet banner on your screen. If prompted, complete any on-screen prompts such as selecting a card or supplying a tip amount before finish by confirming the transaction. You should see a check mark, done message, and receive a digital receipt if available. If it fails, stay calm. Try again after briefly removing any case or metal attachments or select a different card and wallet. Restarting the iPhone often clears NFC glitches. Make sure the terminal is in contactless mode and ask the merchant to restart it if needed. If problems persist, contact your bank to check card status. That usually resolves authorization issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.